What's up, you guys? Zeus the DJ back with another review slash unboxing type video. This is more of an overview than a review because I just got this, but I will be doing a sound test so you guys can hear the sound quality of this guy. This is the HyperX Quadcast gaming and streaming microphone.
DJ Zeus.
Okay, so I picked up this HyperX Quadcast microphone from MicroCenter today. Price, as you can see right here, is $139.98, and I paid an extra $20 for the 2-year protection plan. So if anything goes out on it, such as the touch sensitivity mute button on the top, which I found to be a pretty cool feature, I can obviously go in and have it replaced. So inside the box, we get this little HyperX flyer here, a little card with some information on it. This kind of shows some of the items that they have. You have your quick start guide. It's pretty simple. And inside here, we have the microphone itself. And I know it's a little dark in there, but let me go ahead and pull this out for you guys. And as you can see, this is a really nicely designed and beautiful microphone. As you can see, I really love that it came with the shock mount, because one thing that I do not like about my little scissor arm microphone boom arm that's connected to my desk is that it has like springs on it, so there's a lot of feedback from that. I mean, it's a cheap one. Link for that will be down below in the description if you're interested in picking that up. It works well. I'm using it to actually hold up this camera right here above my desk, which is why you can't see a whole lot in the shot. But you have this little mounting screw. This will help me mount it to this guy right here, right above me. And once I get this plugged in, I will do a sound test and things of that sort, so you guys can see what this microphone sounds like. And you also get a pretty lengthy USB cable, and this part plugs directly into the microphone on the back, and this will obviously plug into your computer. And that's pretty much it for the content, so let me go ahead and put this away. Okay, so now I am using the HyperX Quadcast microphone, and as you can see, it is illuminated. Sorry, I know it's like kind of low to the bottom of the screen, but this is generally where I would have my microphone, just so I can see my keyboard. I wouldn't say I'm new to mouse and keyboard. I've only been playing on mouse and keyboard for a little less than a year, and sometimes my fingers get lost on the keyboard, so I have to look at it from time to time, which I know is horrible because when I'm playing a game it just throws me off or whatever, but that's besides the point. Using the Logitech webcam right now in OBS, so I'm not able to hear this obviously because I don't have headphones on. I'm not monitoring. I'm not sure how the sound quality is with this guy yet. I won't know until I start editing this video. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the audio quality of this. Right now I have it set to the highest gain as far as the little dot indicators go on the bottom of the gain control. If I go a little higher, then the gain will obviously go up a little bit more. But let me go ahead and lower it down and go back to the highest, the biggest indicator on the actual dial itself. So not hear me when I'm that's a really cool feature. So it turns off to let you know that the microphone is muted, and just the fact that I have a mute button now is amazing, because I was using the Zoom H1, which is just a little handheld recorder, and there's no mute button on this, and every time I turn on my computer I would have to go into the settings and select audio instead of SD, and then on top of that I'd have to select 44 kilohertz instead of 48, because if I chose 48 then my voice would sound super deep. And like I said, no mute function on this guy, so pretty cool. I will be doing a sound comparison, so you guys can let me know in the comments down below what you think. Like I said, I'm not going to know what this sounds like until after I edit the video, but let me know what you guys think down below of which microphone sounds better. This guy I picked up for about $100 when it was brand new, like 5 or 6 years ago, and I've been using it for a long time. And it has a USB connection just like this one does, but like I said, no mute capabilities. It's a handheld recorder, so it's not much more you can do with it other than record stuff on the go, which is cool. You know, it has a battery, SD card, micro SD card, whatever. But we're not here to talk about this. Let's just go ahead and do a sound comparison so you guys can hear what I was working with before, prior to what I'm working with now with the HyperX Quadcast. Okay, so holding the Zoom H1 at about the same distance away, well, it's actually the exact same distance away from my face, you guys can now hear the sound quality of the Zoom H1. So that compared to this guy, let me know what you guys think of the sound quality difference. Is the HyperX Quadcast better than the Zoom H1, or is the Zoom H1 better than the HyperX Quadcast? Let me know in your comments down below. But anyways, aside from that quick little comparison, I do like obviously the aesthetic of the microphone is pretty amazing. I mean, it's pretty dope. Let me go ahead and get that a little bit more in the shot, just to give you guys an example of what I'm using. This is like a little $13 or $15 stand that I got from Amazon. Link for this will be in the description below if you're interested in picking up one of those. But let me go ahead and just make some noises on my desk, see if it picks up anything, and you guys can kind of get a feel for, you know, any type of feedback that you would get with this microphone. But let me go ahead and put it back to where I would normally have it, you know, on my stream or just recording game footage. So tapping on the bare desk itself, and it's a little particle board IKEA desk, tabletop, whatever, pretty hollow. Tapping on the actual mouse pad, keyboard, and then keyboard with me talking above it. I'm kind of curious to see how that sounds, because I do like to have my microphone about the position that it's at, because I'm still fairly new to mouse and keyboard, and sometimes I have to look down at the keys, which I know is a big no-no when you're playing video games, especially things like Call of Duty and Fortnite. I mean, you can't really take your eyes off the screen, especially if you're like in a build battle or whatever, and that little split second that you take your eye off the screen to pick a key that you need to push or whatever is obviously it's crucial. So anyways, with that being said, I'll go ahead and put this a little bit closer to my mouth so you'll be able to hear me a little bit more fully, and I'll do like a kind of close to mouth sound test. So if you're doing any voiceover work or whatever, or podcasts and things of that sort, this is basically what it's going to sound like. And right now it's approximately that far away from my face, which is maybe 6-7 inches, something like that, in comparison to the Zoom H1, which is now the same distance away, you know, 6 to 7 inches away from my mouth. So let me know, like, once again, which microphone sounds better. For the most part, though, I think this microphone pretty much has it all. You know, you get your metal stand, which works really good. Like, I'm not really going to be using that. I obviously have this mounted on my little boom stand here, and the mute feature, that's basically kind of what sold me. That, and then you also have, you know, different patterns and stuff, but this this review, unboxing, whatever, is geared more towards, you know, streaming and gaming. And with that being said, you're most likely going to use the cardioid pattern. But anyways, there you guys have it. If you guys found this video helpful or useful in any way, as always, make sure to click that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe for more videos, obviously more video game content, things of that sort. If you're interested in picking up one of these, I will have a link for an affiliate link for this in the description below. You can pick it up from Amazon, no extra cost to you. You know, just I obviously get like a small commission off the sales. And even if you buy something like a bar of soap or whatever, or a pack of socks or something from Amazon, within like that browsing period of you clicking on that affiliate link down below, I will get a kickback from that, and that'll obviously help to support this channel and support future purchases for me to review more products and things of that sort. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time, I'm Zeus, and I'm out.